Hello, good evening, everybody. As you must be aware, I am a consultant for ISO 9001. Now its standard is 2015, and moreover, I have implemented this system, provided consultancy, given the associated training to employees in service sector as well as in manufacturing sector. Now, in this light of Corona, I now recollect many things and during my consultancy, which I observed uh, from the performance from the employees, maybe higher staff, management staff, or even workmen. Majority of the times I have found people are really doing well. There is no doubt about it. Only thing is willingness to do the things. That's very important. And that gets curbed, And that depends on the enthusiasm people have for doing the job. And that is fluctuating. The mindset is fluctuating. And in the light of post-corona days now, post-lockdown days rather, I should say, the employees are having a tough time because have a fear of this presence of corona surrounding them, and in addition, limited resources. And most of the companies which I found out from the on the phone and with interaction, I found that they have a workload. But then having a workload with limited resources, limited working capital, now they can't afford loss of time, loss of power, loss of tooling in sort of a rejection. Now all the employees who have gone there working now, they have to perform well. They should perform well. And how do they perform? Because what about their mindset? It's very critical nowadays. So what my point is, I suggest you people, I can provide you one-to-one sort of training, and since I know the work ethics and more, not only work ethics but the details of the work, what are type of functions are there in manufacturing of glass processing, or rather engineering industry, graphite heat exchangers, then they provide filter components. So there are many clients having even service sector, pathology lab, or maybe the hospital where I have worked. I have dealt with the employees. I know what kind of thought process they are having. So in this critical time, I feel I can do that job sitting at home, because I am at is 76 plus, so I just can't go in this. It is not, I am actually, it is prohibited. So what I will do most is doing it from the home, and I can do so. I am now uploading this video in Facebook, and wherever it is required, I can send the Facebook video. You listen to me. I have written posts also considering those things. So I will provide you all the information. I know what kind of difficulties you are facing. So to suit that, I can provide the sort of input, and you can come up, and you can come up better, because the time is almost, we have got a sort of a new life, we can say. So all past things let us forget and build the new things, as Prime Minister Modi suggested. So made in India, let us do that. Atmanirbharta. So with this, I close my video, and wish you all the best in your career, in your personal life, and don't worry at all. If you don't want to worry, then you have got to think better. How do you think better? You have to do the affirmation. What kind of affirmation required? That I will tell you. To suit you. Okay? What are your difficulties? What type of thoughts you are all the time getting? Discouraging things you are getting. So depends on that, I will provide you the information. Okay? So bye, goodbye, and I hope you will come back to me with this. Thank you and all the best.